So, hello guys. So, another update. And this time, itong update na ito napakalungkot. Okay? I feel so down right now kasi there you go, na-lock yung page ko guys. Naka-preventive lock yung my page ko. Hindi ako makapag-add ng bookings. Yun. Okay? So, I don't know, pero I'll try to explain it guys. Talagang malungkot lang ako ngayon. Gusto ko nang itulog tong lungkot ko. Okay? Um, So what happened is yun nga, 'di ba? Nung June 29, nagkaroon kami ng problem. Nag-book ako ng training for JK12 and I failed kasi sa internet. And then what happened is that June 29 ng hapon, nawalan na kami ng internet. Okay? And then it continues for 3 days. Okay? Sakto, start ng cut-off. End ng cut-off, nagka-absent na ako. Okay? Kasi wala kaming internet. And then, start of this cut-off, nagka-absent ulit ako dahil sa walang internet. Okay, so it's really, ang malungkot doon guys, I tried to submit some tickets, tickets for dun sa nangyari, pero alam niyo ba, syempre, hindi naman pabalang, okay, pero, yun nga, hindi ikinoconsider ng 5-1 talk na excuse ang power outages or problema sa internet connection natin. So, yun lang. Okay? Yun. Okay? Nasa service agreement naman natin yun. Pero sana naman kung may mga ganong, sa akin lang kasi parang hindi mo naman kasi alam sometimes, 'di ba? Kakaroon tayo ng biglaang problema. And then yun lang. Ang sasagot nila sa iyo, ang sinagot nila sa akin that time is please make sure that next time you have your backup materials. For example, sa ilaw, your generator, small generator, and then they even advise you to use the car battery kasi pwede daw gamitin yon. And then for the internet naman, please make sure that you have your power bank which can charge up the modem habang walang kuryente. So mga ganun lang, mga ganung problema. And then if ever magka-problema sa net, you should have your backup. Okay? So ganun. So, ganun yung nangyari. Nagkaroon na ako ng absences noon. Okay, and then, ang problema ko guys, yung dalawang nangyari kasi, yun yung malalaki ko pang penalty ha. Yung unang penalty ko, I think it's early this cut off. Okay? Umayos na yung internet ko noon. Okay? May estudyante ako, absent siya ng first day, and then nung second day, na-late ako ng 2 minutes dahil sa problema ulit sa internet. Okay? Pero, ang alam ko doon, 5 minutes ka lang mamamark as absent. Okay? At after ng 5 minutes, makaka-penalty ka ng 200. Pero what happened is that I was able to enter our classroom for 2 minutes. Okay? 2 minutes, nakapag-enter na ako. Ang problema, may nandun ng teacher. Okay, may sub-teacher na nandoon mismo sa AC, sa classroom namin. So, you know what? Ang ginawa, at medyo rude pa yung teacher na yun, ha? Medyo rude pa yung pagpapaalis niya sa akin dun sa classroom. Parang, siya, pabalang. Okay? So, ang nangyari nun, I tried to file a ticket for that. Okay? Actually, ang in-advise nga sa akin ng technical help desk. Kasi at that time, I really chat kay I really made an effort na ma-contact ang technical help desk kasi hindi naman dapat mangyari 'yon. Okay? Um kasi nasa akin pa yung lesson sa lesson history ko. Okay? Pero wala siya sa AC. So that is a technical problem. So I tried to contact them. And what they advised me guys is to file a dispute penalty removal. Okay? And then, ang nakakalungkot guys, final ko na siya matagal na. Okay? Parang on that day mismo, final ko siya. Um, nag-chatbox sila sa akin. Pero, ang nandun lang is please refile. Okay? So, ni-refile ko siya ulit. Pero until now, no, wala pa ring reply. Kaya, hindi na ako maasang masasagot pa yun. Kasi, cut off na ngayon. It's the last day of the first cut off for July. Okay? And then, yung nangyari kagabi, yun na nakakainis. Okay, yun na nakakainis kasi ready ako. Kagabi, I have 4 classes. I had 4 classes, dapat. Okay, pero ang nangyari, nag-open kasi ako 30 minutes, okay, or minsan 45 minutes before my first class, nag-open na ako ng laptop. Prepare ko na lahat. Ngayon, Nung magpi 15 minutes na before my class, inopen ko na ang AC, inopen ko siya, but then dun ko napansin na nag-freeze yung AC. Hindi ko maklik yung any parts, hindi ko maklik yung enter classroom or download. Hindi ko maklik yun, hindi ko rin maklik yung scroll down, scroll up. Ang pwede mo lang i-click yung refresh. Okay? So, ginawa ko siya for 2 times. Kinlik ko yung refresh, pero I waited for, I think, more than 2 minutes, okay, each time. I waited and para mag-respond. Okay, parang nangyayari, pag ni-refresh ko siya, nangyayari lang is connecting to lesson information. Ganun lang. Okay? For more than 2 minutes. So that time, I tried again to contact not lesson support. Actually, it's the technical help desk for their help. Kasi technical issue na naman yon. And then, hindi lang, alam ko, nakakaproblema din yung mga kasama ko sa AC talaga. Nababasa ko sa GC namin, may problema ang AC. And then, nakakainis lang kasi na-experience ko siya ng bonggang-bongga. So, ang nangyari, mag-i-start na yung first class ko, wala pa. Freezing pa rin. Ang dami na namin ginawa nung technical help desk na tao na tumutulong sa akin that time. Ang dami na niyang sinabi, ginawa ko lahat, debugging ng AC, reinstalling ng AC. Wala pa rin, nag-freeze pa rin siya. So what happened is that I called lesson support. I actually texted them. I sent them an SMS, okay? Ang nakakalungkot, mali yung penalty nilagay. Okay, mali yung penalty nilagay. Instead of 70, ginawa nilang 140. Kasi ang alam ko, mali siya. And then yun nga, I tried to file a dispute. Okay, I tried to submit a ticket for that kasi nagka-problema yung AC, ang problema. So I took a lot of screenshots and attached it to my ticket. Okay? And then yun. Okay, yun kanina umaga naka-receive ako ng reply na they would transfer my concern with the dispute penalty removal team kasi dun daw nababagay yung aking complaint or this dispute. Okay, tapos after that I discovered na na-lock yung page ko. So wow, ewan ko guys, nalulungkot ako kasi tinatak ko na sa isip ko na I would stay sa 5-1 Talk first. Okay, I really enjoy the job kahit nahirap ako na pagsabayin ngayon pati yung aking graduate studies. Hirap talaga ako. Okay? Malungkot ako kasi I really want to stay here. I enjoy the work. I enjoy teaching students, okay, younger ones, okay, kasi ang tinuturuan ko sa school ay puro mga matatanda na. Okay, I enjoy. And then, of course, sabi ko nga yung TESOL and TEYL certificates. Diba, may holding period nga na 2 years. Okay? So, yun lang. Kasi iniisip ko, guys, okay, naka-preventive lock ka. I'm not sure. Nakalimutan ko na kasi yung diniscuss namin sa CHAMP training session ko. I'll try to revisit and say something about that in my next video update. Plus, kung matanggal man yung preventive lock sa page ko. Okay, so ang ginawa ko, I followed I called lesson support, okay, and the agent from lesson support told me that she would send an email of what to do in order to remove the lock on my page, okay? And then yun nga, ginawa ko na kanina yung may pinanood akong video tapos may finil up akong form. And then I don't know, maghihintay siguro ako ng call, okay? Pero as of now, after my last class a while ago, nakalock pa rin yung my page ko. Yun nga. Nakakalungkot lang, guys. Okay? Unang-una, medyo, marami nang nagko-comment kasi marami na akong before, nung bago pa lang ako sa 5-1 Talk, before pa nga lang ako makasalang sa mga training, okay? PSO training, pre-service orientation, blah, blah, blah. Marami na ako napanood na video na yun nga, medyo unfair ang ibang rulings ng 5-1 Talk. Yun, regarding penalties, imagine, kapag teacher ang absent, okay, magkaka-penalty pa. Magkakaroon pa ng bad rating. Okay? Pag estudyante naman ang absent, si teacher kailangan maghintay ng 15 minutes bago siya ma-mark na absent. Then aside from that, okay, ang marireceive mo lang kalahati nung rate mo. Okay? So, medyo unfair talaga. Imagine mo naman, 35 kapag nag-absent ka, nag-inform ka 30 minutes before, meron kang 35 pesos na penalty. Okay? Pero yung estudyante kapag absent, kalahati, for example, starting teacher ka, 25 pesos lang yun. In my case, kasi NQT na ako, newly qualified teacher, 27. Okay, so imagine, tapos, yun nga, pag 30 minutes ka nag-inform before ng klase mo na mag-absent ka, that's 35 pesos, and then pataas ng pataas, 70, 140, pinakamataas ang 200. See? Okay. And then, yun lang, tapos, yun. Oh, may problema naman nila, guys, yung sa nangyari sa AC, di ba? Problema nila yun, okay? Pero, bakit kailangan mag-suffer din ng teacher? Okay? Nag-submit ka nga ng dispute penalty removal, pero ewan ko, parang pinapaikot-ikot lang kasi based on sa experience dun sa una, ha. Itong pangalawa, I don't know kung mag-work ito. Sana mag-work, okay? So, yun, regarding the preventive lock on my page, guys, I'm really worried kasi baka maging isang basis to. Kasi nag-search ako kanina before mag-start yung classes ko ngayon. May nabasa ako doon na may isang teacher, she was dismissed from the service ng ura-urada dahil lang sa kanyang absences. So, yun. Nalulungkot ako. What if lang naman in my part, okay? Ma-dismiss ako ng biglaan. Question is, pwede pa ba akong bumalik? Kapag terminated ka at hindi ka nag-resign, will 5-1 talk still accept you back? Okay? And then, so guys, I'm really sad. Okay, I'm going to wait kung ano magiging development nung ginawa kong pag-file kanina for the removal of my lock. Okay, may preventive lock sa my page ko. Thankfully naman, I'm fully booked until next week. Okay, kasi ang ino-open ko lang ngayon, guys, maximum po na ang 4 for weekday nights. Okay, weekdays ng gabi. Maximum po na ang 4 kasi busy nga, ang daming ginagawa sa school. Okay? So, wala akong problema. Doon ang problema ko yung mga susunod. Okay? Pero I hope maayos ko to, guys. So, I will post another update kung anong makalalabasan ng nangyaring ito. Okay? So, yun muna. I have to say goodbye. Tutulog ko na to. Sana may good news bukas. Start ng new cut-off bukas, guys. May incentive tayong 300 pesos kung mapo-perfect mo siya. Kung hindi ka sabutahiin. Tama ba? Kung hindi ka sabotage. Okay? Kasi minsan parang yung nangyayari problema sa AC, parang I think it's a way for them to give you or to remove from you the perfect attendance incentive. Kasi, basta, there's something lang, I don't know. Okay, ayokong mag-assume, okay? I love you, 5-1 Talk. You're giving me so much opportunities to earn money, to better hone my skills in speaking the English language. Yun. Okay. I wish to stay. I wish you could improve your services para hindi lang halata naman na you are only after the welfare of the students. Sana teachers din, maisip nyo rin na bigyan ng konting karapatan din. Okay? So, yun guys. I'm hoping for better things to happen. Sana matanggal agad yung lock sa page ko. And sana mabawi ko yung bad record ko for today. I wanna stay in 5-1 Talk, guys. For now. I want to stay. For a lot of reasons, okay? So, yun muna. I have to say goodbye, guys. I'll post this, okay? So, see you again next time. Bye!